Alright, boom, just like that. All those packs are undone and unstuck. So, we'll show you the highlights. David Justice, Al Martin, rookie, Tino Martinez, checklist, Andre the Hawk Dawson, Ruben Sierra, Joe Girardi, Jim Leyritz, Carlton Fisk, 3 catchers in a row, Nigel Wilson, rookie, Dave Winfield, Paul Molitor, Alan Watson, rookie, Benji Gill, rookie, Goose Gossage, Jeff Bagwell, Benito Santiago, Bobby Bonilla, Mike Draper of Raygun T-Shirt Company, checklist with Ryan Sandberg, Alex Herreras, rookie, Roberto Alomar, Mike Moeller, rookie, no idea, Jeff Conine, rookie. Should we probably put that one in the sleeve pile, I would imagine. Jeff Conine, Paul O'Neill, Tim Salmon, rookie, Rondell White, rookie. I don't know why those aren't in sleeves. Rondell White. And then at the end I got the pile of sleeves. I'll show you. Brad Pennington, rookie. Brad Pennington, rookie. Lee Tinsley, Cecil Fielder. Looks like he just was struck out. Look at that whiff. I don't think that's home run. I think that's him looking at down third base like, what just happened? Mitch Wild Thing Williams. Ryan Sandberg again. Huh. I feel like that one should be in a sleeve too. I'm running low on sleeves, so. Vinny Castillo, rookie. Kurt Schilling. Matt Williams. Checklist. Here's Bill Ripken. Pulled his brother, Cal, also. Trevor Hoffman, rookie. There's the Cecil Fielder whiff. Another checklist. Pat Gomez, rookie. Scott Sanders, rookie. Tim Wohler, rookie. Alex Herreras, rookie again. JT Snow, rookie. Put that in the sleeve. Jim Abbott. Kevin Rogers, rookie. And Strawberry. Another stack of honorable mentions here. Albert Bell, Andres Galarraga, Paul O'Neill, The Straw, Fernando Valenzuela, Matt Williams, Roger Clemens. Look, can you see the card? They stick to each other. Anyway, totally jacked up this card. Worthless. Lenny Dykstra, Mike Draper of Raygun T-Shirts, Albert Bell, Trevor Hoffman again. I think we're putting that in the sleeve. Mike Lansing, rookie. Kirk Gibson. There's Vince Coleman, number 3 all-time stolen base leader. Dave Winfield, Bobby Bonilla. Another Ryan Sandberg. Al Martin, rookie. Bobby Bonilla, Kirk Gibson, Vince Coleman again. There's Harold Reynolds. Whee! Cliff Floyd, rookie. Benji Gill, rookie. Denise Martinez, Goose Gossage. Danny Schaefer, rookie. Dwight Gooden, card totally jacked. Ramon Martinez, Chucky Knobloch, Alan Watson, Mike Draper of Raygun T-Shirt Company. Darryl Strawberry, the card's totally jacked. Kenny Lofton, pretty good looking Kenny Lofton. Robin Ventura. Alright. Now, we'll got the ones that we've already put into sleeves or just did. Rondo White, rookie. Tim Salmon, rookie. Jeff Conine, rookie. Tim Salmon, rookie. Rondo White, rookie. Kevin Young, rookie. Bo Jackson, Barry Bonds, Greg Maddux, John Smoltz, Raul Mondesi, rookie. Nolan Ryan, Tony Gwynn, Jim Edmondson, rookie. JT Snow, rookie. Mark McGuire, Greg Maddux, Kevin Young, rookie. Kevin Young, rookie. Bo Jackson, Barry Bonds, Griffey. Here's Cal Ripken, Tony Gwynn, Manny Ramirez, rookie. Alright, and then these are the inserts. I don't think this one is an insert. It's just Dennis Eckersley. It is number 1. Not really sure. Anyway, it's career highlights for Dennis Eckersley. Very cool. And then for the Strikeout King, we got Johnny Smoltz. Very cool. And Randy Big Unit Johnson. And then for the rookie, whatever the insert on the rookies, we got Kevin Young, Al Martin, and then these are the All-Star inserts. We got Frank Thomas, Mike Messina, and Greg Maddux. So I'll show you the odds on it real quick. So the odds on the Strikeout King is 1 in 37 packs. The odds on the All-Star is 1 in 9, and the rookie is 1 in 18. So it goes 1 in 9, doubles up to 1 in 18, and then pretty much doubles again to 1 in 37. So let's see what we got for our odds. So we got 3 of the All-Stars. We got 2 of the rookies. So these are at every 1 in 9 pack. These are 1 in every 18 packs. Yeah. And then these, the strikeouts, are supposed to be 1 in every 37. So I think we got lucky on getting 2 of these out of our 1 box. And then this Dennis Eckersley is pretty cool. I don't know if that's really anything, but anyway, so that's the recap. Junk 93 Fleer Ultra. I don't know if Jeter is supposed to have a card in the Series 2. He may only be in Series 1. I'm not 100%. So anyway, we didn't see him, but we saw a lot of cool stuff actually. So thanks for tuning in. We've got 2 more boxes of those we'll be putting together. I'll just do the same thing where I'll just do a recap at the end of each box and let you know what we get. We've got some Donruss 93, I think. We've got a Series 1 and a Series 2 box. I don't know. We'll see what we do next. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Catch you next time. Bye.